Hello and welcome back to MetaMath. In this video, I'm going to be covering the 2018 AMC8 problem number 25, which reads as following. How many perfect cubes lie between 2 to the 8th power plus 1 and 2 to the 18th power plus 1 inclusive? To solve this problem, I'm going to be demonstrating a technique called bounding, where instead of actually computing the values themselves and finding the cubes that lie between them, I'm going to approximate the values and bound them between two values and find the perfect cubes that lie between those instead. Now, to translate this, 2 to the 8th plus 1, I'm going to find a cube x cubed, which is the smallest cube greater than it, and I'm going to find the largest cube, y cube, that is less than 2 to the 18th plus 1. If I can bound it between x and y, x cubed and y cubed, then we can find all the possible perfect cubes because they range from x to y. So all perfect cubes that lie between them have to be between x and y inclusive. So to start with this, I'm going to approximate 2 to the 18th plus 1, which, ignoring the 1, because 2 to the 18th is a fairly large number, we can write as 2 to the 18th. 2 to the 18th can be rewritten as 2 to the 6th cubed because of exponent laws, and 2 to the 6th is 64. So 64 cubed is the smallest cube is the greatest cube that's less than 2 to the 18th plus 1. So we know that 64 cubed is our y value. Doing the same thing for x cubed, 2 to the 8th plus 1 is roughly 2 to the 8th, and we can directly compute this to be 256. Now, it's not perfectly expressible like 2 to the 18th, but we can easily calculate that 6 cubed is 216, and 7 cubed is 343. We want the smallest cube that's greater than it, so we want to choose 7 cubed to be our x cubed. Now that we've bounded 2 to the 8th plus 1 to be less than 7 cubed, which is less than 64 cubed, which is less than 2 to the 18th plus 1, we can find all perfect cubes lie between 7 cubed and 64 cubed. And this is an inclusive list, so we want to include both 7 and 64 in our count. So 64 minus 7 plus 1 is equal to 58. And that's the amount of cubes that are between 7 cubed and 64 cubed. So our answer is E58. If you guys found that video helpful, please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment down below letting me know if you guys have any topic or problem you want to see covered next. Thanks for watching.